Welcome to our corporate overview, how to make real money from home in the #1 fastest growing industry. Let's give you a preview first about our company. First of all, we are not a multi-level marketing, network marketing company, or startup. Now, nothing against those business models. They're fine. However, that's not what we are. We are the fastest growing top 3 solar sales company in the USA. There's zero financial investment and zero monthly cost. There is no cold calling or door knocking. We have a proven warm market referral system. This is 100% virtual, so you can work from anywhere in the world and no experience is required. No high pressure sales since we take an educational soft sell approach. We help our clients save over $100,000 and even make $1,000 plus a month by referring you homeowners. We have an Earn While You Learn program where you can earn an extra $10,000 a month in your first 30 days. And as a rep, you can earn an average of $7,000 to $10,000 a sale. And as a sales manager, you can earn a very high 6-figure yearly income with management overrides and bonuses. Okay, so let's get into it. We're going to talk about electric energy versus solar energy. So, homeowners have options, obviously, right? They could stick with the problem, which is staying with their old electric energy, or go to the solution, which is switching to your new solar energy. With electricity, it's more expensive than solar. The cost keeps rising. Solar is less expensive. You save money, and it's a fixed energy cost. Electricity, you continue renting it and paying your energy bill forever. With solar, you actually own your energy and you eliminate your electric bill. With electricity, it adds no extra value to your home. With solar, guess what? According to 2 government studies, it immediately increases the home value, averaging 10%. With electricity, it does not help in selling your home any faster. With solar, you can sell your home 20% faster, again, according to that government study, and you can transfer the system over to the new buyer. With electricity, you receive no government tax credits. With solar, you can qualify for 30% government tax credits, averaging $10,000 plus. With electricity, you cannot sell any energy back to the electric company. But guess what? With solar, you can actually sell your excess energy to the company and get compensated. With electricity, you contribute to damaging the planet for the next generation. And with solar, you do your part to help protect and save the planet for the next generation. So we ask homeowners, based on these true facts, which option benefits homeowners most? Continuing to rent their electricity or owning their energy and saving money? And they always say owning and saving money. Let's talk about our company, Apricot Solar. We are the only solar education company in the world. Take an educational approach. So why Apricot Solar and our partner Freedom Forever? Well, the exclusive partnership between Apricot Solar and Freedom Forever, that's marketer, Apricot is a marketer, Freedom Forever is the actual solar company, is considered by leading industry experts as one of the most powerful, valuable, and strategic partnerships in the entire solar industry. Apricot and Freedom Forever have a combined 18 years of proven solar experience. Freedom Forever has completed well over 100,000 successful installations with a 99.74% customer satisfaction rate and is recognized as having one of the highest satisfaction rates in the entire solar industry. Apricot Solar generated $200 million in revenue, and Freedom Forever did over $800 million in revenue for 2021. We've been featured on Inc. 5000 as one of the fastest growing companies in the US, actually 4 years in a row. We are accredited by the Better Business Bureau as a top A+ company, and we are NAB CEP certified. That means it is the most exclusive and trusted accreditation that signifies your company meets the highest standards of excellence in the solar industry. Freedom Forever is recognized as one of the top 3 solar companies out of over 10,000 solar companies in the US, passing Elon Musk Tesla Solar in total market share. We also have a partnership with billion-dollar giant Vivint, and we give every solar client a free home smart and alarm system that's valued at over $2,800 with no monthly monitoring payments for 3 years. Now, this proven marketing strategy of giving every solar client a free home smart and alarm system has created an industry record-setting installation rate of over 90%. That's compared to only a 55% industry installation rate in solar. Okay, and by the way, when projects don't get installed, well, you don't get paid. Well, with us, people earn more money because more of our projects get installed than anybody else. Apricot is a 100% virtual solar company. We utilize artificial intelligence, which allows us to have lower operational costs, thus give our clients the best value in the industry and actually pay our representatives more money. We offer the best rated tier 1 solar equipment along with the only 25-year production guarantee in the industry. And we even have a price match guarantee, kind of like Best Buy, right? Zero upfront or out-of-pocket costs with the most competitive finance programs in the USA. And we can even help homeowners with lower credit scores qualify for no money down solar. We are a fully licensed national powerhouse with thousands of successful installations and happy 5-star clients. Why? Because we take a no pressure educational approach in helping our clients. Here's a short video by a very famous home celebrity expert talking about solar and our company.
Hey, I'm Richard Karn. You probably know me as Al from the hit TV show Home Improvement, or as the host of Family Feud. And while I might not be wearing a tool belt today, I do have a question for you and your family. What is potentially the single best home improvement you could ever make? If you answered solar power, ding, 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 number one answer. Congratulations, you're a winner. Or you will be a winner. I know. Maybe you've looked into solar in the past. You're thinking, what about the cost? What about the liens? What about the, I don't know, whatever. Well, hey, if it was still like that, I wouldn't be here. I can assure you that all of that has changed. Solar is better than ever. A solar power system can not only add value to your home, it gives you a way to turn sunshine into electricity. And you know what's great about sunshine? It's free. Imagine generating your own electricity for your household from free sunshine. You can start saving money every month on your electric bill. Plus, lock in what you pay for electricity for the next 25 years. While others are paying higher and higher utility bills, you can be enjoying electricity at a fraction of the cost. It's all possible with a solar power system from one of the top solar companies in America, Freedom Forever. If you're ready to start saving money with renewable energy, then stay with me. It's time to be enlightened.
So now let's show you one of our actual client testimonials. This is Hector and Maria Perez out of Orlando, Florida. If you see here, it says their old electric bill, it was $281 per month. That was the average. We switched them to solar, so they bought a solar system. They're getting 100% of their same electricity needs that they had before, but at a much lower cost to pay off their $149 per month, paying off their solar system. Now, they're saving initially $132, but it gets better because guess what? As you all know, right, this electric bill continues to go up. It actually goes up about 4% with inflation. So over the next 30 years, they're saving $147,159. That's money they would have had to pay to the electric company, but they get to keep it in their bank account. 10% home value increase of 45,000, okay, and a 30% government tax credit. So this couple gets a total financial benefit of 206 plus $1,000, and that is very normal when we help homeowners switch from electricity to solar. So if you educated 10 homeowners how to save tens of thousands of dollars by switching to solar with zero out-of-pocket costs, how many of the 10 do you feel would switch? Well, guess what we find out? It's 10 out of 10 as long as they get to understand and get educated about the power of solar energy. You see, it's simple to sell solar because you're just educating a homeowner to go from an old, higher electric bill, right, that they are already obligated to pay, to a new, lower fixed solar bill. They're just redirecting their payment, saving tens of thousands of dollars, and increasing the value of their home. We simply sell a lower energy payment. So now let's talk about technology is changing business. You know, the old way of doing business versus the new way with virtual technology platforms. So most people used to shop at Walmart, Kmart. Today it's Amazon. Before it was taxis, now it's Uber. Marriott's to Airbnb, and before it was traditional solar companies like Solar City. Today, Apricot is taking over. See, Uber doesn't own any vehicles, just like Airbnb doesn't own any hotel rooms. They are just powerful virtual technology platforms that bring clients who need a service to sellers who are providing that service. This is exactly what Apricot has done, and why leading experts say we are the Uber of the solar industry. So because Apricot is 100% virtual company, you can help people right from your mobile phone and work and make money right from your home. Okay. Now, how do you make money with Apricot? Well, we have an earn while you learn program when you're just getting started. And we tell people is this: can you introduce homeowners that you know to one of our trainers? Watch what the trainer does, and can you get paid? Well, if you can do that, you can get started making money with us. Now, we do tell people this: there are no guarantees regarding earnings in Apricot Solar. The success or failure of each advisor, like any other sales company, depends upon each advisor's skills and work ethic. So if you do a little, you're going to get paid a little. But if you do a lot, you're going to get paid a lot. You get paid what you're worth. So step number one: as a new trainee, you simply ask homeowners you know for just 15 minutes of their time just to show them a solar education video presentation via Zoom. No selling on the first appointment. Now, if the homeowner agrees to a free energy savings analysis, which they always do, to see how much money they will save, Then you send the digital copy of their bill to your trainer to do a free energy savings analysis. Your trainer will then present the energy savings analysis to the homeowner via Zoom. And when they switch to solar, guess what? You get paid an average of $3,500 per solar split sale as a new trainee. Now, once you're trained, by observing 3 solar training sales, completed an online certification and a skills test, you now earn the full average $7,000 commission. We also have a proven warm referral program that pays people $1,000 per solar sale that they refer to you, so you get more referrals and sales than you can possibly get to. And because of all of this, Apricot pays the highest overall commissions of any solar company in the industry, bar none. No one comes even close. Now, as a solar trainee part-time, you introduce one average client, so you're splitting that sale with your trainer. Takes an average of about 3 hours to help one client. You earn 3,500 bucks. Now, I'm not the greatest at math, but guess what? $3,500 divided by 3 hours, that's over $1,000 per hour. Let me ask you, earning that much money per hour, how many homeowners would you want to help and refer? Now, once you're a trained solar advisor, you help one client, you earn 7,000. My question is, how would you feel if you were earning an extra $7,000 a month on a part-time basis, all working from home? Now, John D. Rockefeller, he's considered the wealthiest human that ever lived. He said, quote, I would rather earn 1% of the efforts of 100 people than 100% of my own efforts. Let me explain. You see, at Apricot, you have the legal right. We grant you the legal right. You know, there are real estate companies, car sales companies, right? That if you refer a top salesperson to the company, you don't get paid when they start selling cars or selling homes. We believe that's wrong. So we give you the legal right, but it's an option if you want to hire and train as many advisors as you want and get paid on all their sales. Okay. So now, by training and developing 3 solar advisors, you build a small sales team. You need at least 3. You get promoted to junior partner. Now, guess what? You don't make 7,000 average commission. You're making 8,400. So you say you help one client a month, right? Super part time. You got a team doing the same thing, helping one client a month. That's 3 clients a month. You get a $1,400 override. That's like a bonus that doesn't come out of the solar advisor 7,000. That's a bonus in addition to. Add that up. That's 4,200. Total is 12,600 for the month, over 151,000 a year. So by getting promoted into sales management and managing just 3 part-time solar advisors who each help only one solar client per month, you have the potential to earn a strong 6-figure income, all working from home. Now, let's step it up a little bit, right? Most people are going to do more than one sale a month. So let's say you're doing one sale per week, which is average, okay? You're helping 4 clients a month. Times 8,400, you made 33,000 on your own efforts. Then you got your sales team doing the same thing. They're each helping one client a week. Times 4 is 12 clients a month. Times 12, $1,400, right? That's an extra 16,800. Add that up, that's over $50,000 a month or over $600,000 a year. Look, by hiring and training 3 part-time solar advisors who now each help one solar client per week, you have the potential to earn over $600,000 a year, which would put you in the top 1% of all income earners in the USA. Now, to get to partner, the next level of promotion, you need to build minimum a team of 5 trained solar advisors. When you get to partner, guess what? Now you get paid not 7,000 or 8,400 per sale. You're making another, you get another pay raise of $9,500 average per sale. So helping one client per week, 4 clients a month, times 9,500, that's 38,000 a month. Your team copies you. They're helping one client a week. So that's 5 clients a week times 4 is 20 solar clients a month. You get another pay raise in your overrides. They're averaging 2,500. That's $50,000 in override bonuses. Add that up. That's 88,000 a month, over $1 million a year. So look, unlike other sales companies where you need hundreds of sales reps to earn over $1 million a year, at Apricot, you have the potential to earn $1 million income with just 5 productive part-time solar advisors. Let's look at the future of solar. Right now, there's over 98 million homes in the USA that qualify for solar, yet only 2% have solar. That gives us over 96 million opportunities. You know, the US Energy Department, they want solar to provide 40% of the nation's energy by 2035, which is why the solar market is growing at an average of 33% per year. The US government is also planning to require that all new homes in the US have solar panels installed. It is already a law in the books in California, and we just found out it's already going into Florida, becoming a law. So look, every time you see a home, just visualize that you could be earning $3,500 to $7,000 for each home that you help switch to solar, or losing that cash to someone else, because you know what? Someone will switch them to solar. Is that what you want? So let's take a look at corporate stages of growth. Where are we at right now? You know, just like every company, I don't care if it's Facebook or Uber or Amazon, everybody starts at zero. And 0 to 100 to 200 million, that's called formulation or pioneering. So Apricot was basically building their infrastructure from 2015 to 2021. Right now, they're here as far as revenue. So guess what? We are now, just now, entering momentum, which is that's when true wealth is created, okay, in any company. So you're finally in the right place at the right time. Are you going to take advantage of it or let it pass you by? So how do you qualify for Apricot Solar? First of all, you have to submit an online application. You have to attend a group orientation with a top leader. Let me tell you what we're looking for. We're looking for honest salespeople. We don't want dishonest people. Why? Because we're dealing with friends and family. We're dealing with referrals, right? So you have to do the right job for people. We don't want any shady salespeople that just want to make a big commission and not take care of the client. We want people that are self-motivated, teachable, have good people skills, and a positive attitude. If you feel you have those qualities, then we welcome you to partner with us. Pass the background and reference checks for final corporate approval. So let's summarize the true facts. Number one, can I make real money online and from home? Yes, you can. Can I work part-time, control my own schedule? Yes, you can. Can I make great money without hiring others? Yes, you can. Can I be successful without cold calling, door knocking, or investing any money? Yes, there's no money to invest. I have no solar, sales, or business experience. Can I still earn money at Apricot? Yes, you can. So what are you most interested in? A, getting your free energy savings analysis. B, becoming a referral partner and earning $1,000 for every solar sale that you refer. Or C, becoming a solar advisor and earning unlimited income from home. So what are your next steps? Number one, submit an online application, attend an orientation with a top leader and qualify to partner with us. Okay. Schedule a time to get your free energy savings analysis. And number three, get trained, certified, and start earning great money while you learn. So my question to you is, how fast would you like to start earning money? Well, schedule your orientation now by immediately completing the online application. And a great quote by billionaire Bill Gates. He says, if you were born poor, it's not your fault. But if you die poor, it is your fault. So thank you for attending our corporate overview. Schedule the orientation now by immediately completing the online application. Appointments are very limited and on a first come, first served basis. Okay. Thank you so much for attending. Look forward to working with you guys real soon.